We've got some absolute Friday bangers on today, but this is going to be one of those little informative videos because I've seen this too many times now. And I think if I do a video, this might help a few people just understand where I'm coming from with this. So this is a battery monitoring module, right? And it is essentially the negative terminal on the battery on a modern V-dub. And there's your part there. So all part numbers are different, guys. Bear that one in mind if you're looking for one for your vehicle. Now, the reason I want to address this and why I've got one in my hand, it's a brand new part, by the way. There's the box. Is because I've had to replace one. Now, I sent the first one I've had to replace. But the reason I had to replace this is because it was jumped off incorrectly. It was jump started incorrectly, right, guys? It's unfortunate when your battery goes flat. It happens. It's not just because the battery's knackered, the alternator's knackered, anything like that. It could just be the fact it's been sat for a while. You've been on holiday, whatever it is, your battery goes flat. People instantly go for jumping the battery, which is absolutely fine if done correctly. So you put the positive on the positive, so the red to the plus, and the black to the minus. That's your minus terminal, right? Some of the batteries come with a little tab on it saying, do not jump start from the negative post, and it'll be covering the negative post, right? And that's for a reason, guys. So somewhere nearby will be a negative post you can jump start a vehicle from, not the terminal, right? And the reason for jump starting, well, not jump starting on the terminal, is this little module here. Now, these are bloody expensive, these guys, I'm not gonna lie. They're a few quid. And if you jump start it from them, 9 times out of 10, you can blow the module, which is that there. It's only a little module, but it's very important. If that stops monitoring the battery, it stops the alternator charging the battery. And this is exactly what we had on a brand new car. Come from the docks, obviously been parked for a while, needed a jump start. Salesman jumped it and blew the battery monitor. So that, obviously I diagnosed it yesterday. I made sure all my wiring was in correct pins. Everything was good. Module had been blown. Found out later on that it had been jump started. So guys, just to sum this up quickly, if you see one of these on your negative terminal of your battery, please do not jump start it from this terminal here. Although it looks enticing, it looks nice and shiny, please don't. There'll be somewhere very, very close to this will be a jump post. There is that on a Volkswagen, so that is bolted to the bulkhead. There, you would put your clamp on that bit, not there, okay? So guys, rounding up the video nicely, don't clamp it there, clamp it there. And it does make all the difference. Stops you blowing one of these up, costing you a few quid, and ultimately your battery not charging is the worst case scenario there. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Hopefully it's been informative. Let me know down in the comments if you need any more info, or you've got some experience of this as yourself. See you in the next one.